know. You wanna know. How do you make it wobble? How did the wobble? You know? How do you do the wobble? Well, I'll show you. So first thing you're gonna need to do is you're gonna make an armature, and it's gonna be looking something like this. Well, maybe it'll be in like a T-pose or something, because your character is properly modeled or whatever. And wherever you want the wiggles, you're gonna have to add these extra bones. So this area here is gonna wiggle up. So you need the bone here, and you need the bone here, and you need the bone up there too, up there. And you're gonna need to make sure that it's white painted, so the where it go good. Now if you go into pose mode and you do a tricky thing where you select this bone and you shift select, you shift select the next bone, you do a simple control C, simple control shift C. You do the damp tract, right there. You do that, and then you go over here, and you have a control on how much you wiggle it. So if we go back here, now that it's a little bit lower, it wiggles. I want to make sure that for the next part, you shift click this bone as the first one, and then shift click this bone, the next bone, the top, it goes in tracks. You do this one first and go up, and that one, you know? You do a track. And then yeah, you control shift and you do it again, you know? And that's how you do it. It's easy.